Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing super duper. You are going to notice a change in scenery. I do apologize. I am batch recording and I have a whole bunch of boxes. I don't know if you can see, there's one here and two over here. So I had to move further down here so you're getting the ugly underside of my stairs. But I wanted to come on here because I got I'm working with wiskf, wiskf bags. I know it's been all over the YouTubes, and sorry guys, they sent me some bags for review, and I have a code, I believe, for you, which will be in the description box below. So I just wanted to, I don't make anything off of it, by the way. They sent me these bags free for review, but I don't make anything off the links or the codes or anything like that. So they have a number of bags. Oh my gosh, the amount of bags they have is wild. And I didn't know what to expect because I've had bags similar from other companies that were fine, but they weren't like the most amazing quality. These are so good and they're so affordable, and they're the same price, and one of them less expensive than the other one, and they're 10 times the quality. So I was shocked. So the first one is they have they have a number of different kinds of monogram bags where you can get you can alphabet bags. So Thrust, T for Thrust. They had two different styles of the black with neutral canvas. I got this style, and I'll have all these linked below. And it's very cute. It comes on the other side with this little ribbon. So it has a box bottom bag. And on the inside of it, it has a pocket that zippers. Now, I don't know if you can hear that. That's what quality sounds like. There's no plastic inside. There's no... well, okay, the bottom of it has plastic, so you could easily wipe it out. But, like, it's nice, guys. This is thick. Look how thick that is. And then the handles, instead of it just being like, you know, a piece of canvas just like folded over and sewn, it's this really, really nice like woven, and it's got like tubing on the inside of it. The zipper is nice and sturdy, and the inside of the pocket is nice. It's just really well made. The stitching is really lovely. And this bag is only $12.99, and you can fit a lot of yarn in here. You can fit a lot of yarn in here. My Sophie's Universe is probably going to go in this one as I make it. And then I love Nightmare Before Christmas, so I got this bag. There were some other ones that I had picked out before this, but they were sold out. I was so sad, but it doesn't surprise me that they're sold out. So I do not have any of these zipper top ones, but that's my next one, is to get the zipper top ones, and they have a box bottom, but this one is just a regular canvas. These are $5.99. There we go. There's not a pocket or anything in there. It's just your very basic, like, canvas tote bag. But I mean, thank you, sweetheart. But these have tons and tons of uses. I use these, you know, for my yarn, for my whips, for library, for the store. Um, I mean, they just have gobs of uses. So, these are $5.99. So to go with that one, I wanted a little pouch for each of these two bags. And there wasn't a Nightmare Before Christmas one, but I thought this one was really fitting. Thank you, honey. It's a skeleton. I mean, this looks very Nightmare Before Christmassy to me, but I really like it. I thought it was really cool, and it's quilted. Well, it's not quilted in the sense it has a quilt stitch on it, but it's like soft. It's not canvas on the outside. It's like fabric, and it's puffy. It's very insulated. It's nice and thick, and has a nice zipper. These are $4.99. These cosmetic bags. I'm going to use them as Notion bags, but I use cosmetics too, so you know I might. The original bag that I had picked out was a skeleton, and then it had rainbow around it, and this was going to go perfect with it. And so it's a black cosmetic bag, and it says Pride with a rainbow. Man, I love rainbow, as if you guys don't know that already. But yeah, these are $4.99. So I figured this can just be tossed into this bag, and these two can go together. They have everything. They have peacock stuff. They have cats. They have a bunch of the like man, they even had Five Nights at Freddy's, which if you don't know about that, that's something that my son absolutely loves. I know you love it, buddy. They have all kinds of stuff. I mean, Nightmare Before Christmas, a bunch of the like they had Stitch stuff, which yes, I'm shocked that I didn't get a Stitch bag, but I have so many Stitch bags. I'm like, okay, let's step outside of our norm and get something new and different. It was hard because those Stitch bags were cute. I love my little Stitchy Poo. Yeah, so I think my code gets you 5% off. I never claimed to be a professional. I'm not good. I'm not good at being prepared and having all the information. It will all be in the description box below though, but these are really affordable. It came really quickly. It's very nice quality. I'm going to get my hands on the zipper ones because those seem really nice, and they're only like a couple bucks more than the regular canvas one. So and they do have alphabet ones of the cosmetic bags. Guys, it's worth a look, I promise you. They are really nice. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick. So I love you guys. Bye.